Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mathematics grade 7, this week 3, lesson number 2. This lesson we will study the second day of week 3. So this is a review, short review for 2 or 3 minutes. So it will be helpful for you after taking the class, inshallah. Zero and negative indices is the topic for today, and the exercise is 1I. Consider A3 divided by A3. Subtracting indices, answer will be 0. It is the meaning, see here, A power 3 divided by A power 3. As I told you, if base is same, you can subtract the values because here the negative sign. If here is positive sign, we will add the values. 3 minus 3, A power 0. And keep in your mind, anything power 0 equal 1. Anything power 0 will be equal 1. Any number power 0 equal 1. For example, 1000 power 0 equal 1. Subtracting indices. For example, if here A power 3 divided by A power 5. So it will be A power 3 minus 5. A power minus 2 it would be. Minus can be write down in, this will come down in the denominator. This will come down in the denominator. This is the main method. We will follow the explanation here. See, A power 3 over A power 5. This can be write A multiply A 3 times. This can be write A multiply A multiply A multiply A multiply A 5 times. This cut by this. What left? Up 1 and down A square. So the same situation will come. So you can see here a negative sign in front of the index means the reciprocal. Reciprocal, opposite. Reciprocal, opposite. A power minus B will be 1 over A power B. So now we will go to the exercise and solve some questions. Find out the value of 3 power minus 1. So it will be 1 power 3. Power 1 equal 1 over 3. Very simple. Now like that, question 2 of exercise 1I. 10 power minus 1. You can write 1 over 10. Like question 7. A power minus 1 equal 1 over A. So we will go to the next. 2 over 3 power minus 1. In this situation, you will bring this 3 up and 2 down. Why? Because you can see here 2 power minus 1, it means 3 power minus 1. When this 3 will go up, it will become positive. When this 2 comes down, its power will become positive. So it will be 3 power 1 over 2 power 1. So you can write 3 over 2. Like question number 16, one more. X over y power minus y. So you can write y over x simply, in short. Question number 17 onwards. Question number 17, for example, 2 power minus 3, you can write 1 over 2 power 3. 2 power 3 equal 8. This is the way. Okay, now question number 25 onwards, 1 over 5 power minus 3. So it will be 5 up and 1 comes down. 5 over 1 power 3 become positive. 5 power 3, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. And 1 power 3 mean 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. 1 will be the same. 5 multiply 5, 25. 25 multiply by 5, 105. So 105 would be the answer. Okay, now one more last question. For example, here question number 33. 3 over 4 power minus 2. So you can write 4 over 3 part 2 opposite. This 4 go up, 3 comes down, the value become positive. 4 multiply 4, 3 multiply 3. So it will become 16 over 9. So this is the way. Inshallah, in the next class we will discuss the next exercises. Assalamu alaikum.